southern part of Texas, east and west of El Paso, where the mighty Franklin Mountains guard the trail to Mexico. There's a new maid widder crying and her hearse rolling slow, and I guess that devil's passed this weekend. There's a lathered sorrel stallion running through the Joshua trees, a young man in a saddle with his coattails in the breeze. Got a 6-gun on his right hip and a rifle at his knee, and he's dealing in a game that he can't win.